Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be explaining the dance step by step and with the counts. And don't worry because this tutorial is mirrored, so feel free to follow me. If I'm speaking too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed of the video in the YouTube settings. If you want to practice with the music, check the link in the description. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. And if you're ready, let's get started. In this dance tutorial, I'm going to be following this dance. So the first counts for this dance are 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. We're going to start by standing on our place, right leg in front and joining our hands together, right up, left down in front of our face like this. And we're going to hold it there for 7, 8. And we're going to continue on 1, 2. So for this part, we're going to bring our hands in, okay, from our chest, okay, to all the way down and raise our left leg up and wave our body. So like this, roll, body roll. That's on 1. And on 2, you're going to step with your left leg, okay, step and bring your right arm like this up. So when you step, you bring your right arm like this. So we go 7, 8, 1, 2. And make sure your head is tilted to the left, okay? Then on 3, 4, we're going to move our hand like this, our left hand, so that we can place it next to us, like the other hand. And the heads are like the same. So whenever you just put your hand there, you're going to step with the right, as we did before, but just the opposite way. So yeah, you step. So 2, then 3, 4, and tilt your head to the right this time. So let's do a quick recap from the beginning. So 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then on 5, we're going to do this. So lift your right leg up like this, and with your hands into fist, put them down, okay, like this. That's on 5. And on 6, you're going to move your hip to the right first, then to the left, to the right, to the left, and then slowly back again to the right. So the hips are moving right, left, and slowly to the right. Then with your hands, you're going to make a count gesture, left at the top, right at the bottom, okay, like this, and you're going to tilt it. From there, you're going to switch, left is going to go down, okay, and right is going to go up. So you switch. Then you're going to switch again, left is going to be up, then switch again, left down. So from up here, left is going down, then it's going up, and it's going down. And lastly, you're going to rub your fingers like a money sign, okay? So left down, left up, left down, and rub your fingers and put them in the center. So altogether, this is the starting pose. Then when you switch, left hip to the right, left gun is going down, then switch, and lastly, move your hip slowly, okay, to the right. Move it slowly. When you do the money gesture, like this, when you rub your fingers together. So again, you switch, and money sign. So it counts from 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Okay? Well done. Now let's repeat from the very beginning, from this part. So we're going to hold on 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. From here, the next 8 counts are and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. After dirty work, we're going to turn. So lift your right leg up like this and turn all the way to the left. Okay, so lift your right leg up like this and turn all the way to the left. And on 1, you're going to step with your right leg. Your hands are going also to the back like this, in and step on 1. Then on 2 and 3, this part, we're going to bring our left fist out, okay? Left arm all the way stretched in front of us like this. Then right fist is going to touch our right hip like this, and we're going to roll our body, okay? Roll it like this. So that is 2, 3, okay? Slowly. So 1, 2, 3, okay? Then on 4, we're going to jump, okay? And this time look to the front, and your hands are going boom. So your hands into fist at the sides of your body, you're gonna go boom. So 2, 3, 4. So after 4 on end, you're going to roll your head. So roll your head from right to left, okay? So 4 and. So from the beginning, from here, turn 1, 2, 3, 4 and. On 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to step with the right, then join with your left, then step with the left and join with your right. So right, join, left, join. And your hands, okay? Your left hand is going to go like this to the front. So front, when you step with the right. And when you join, your hands at the sides of your body are going to go out like this. So right, join. Then when we step with the left, we're going to switch. So with the right hand, move it to the front like this. And when you join together, your hands at the sides of your body. So again, right, join, left, join. So let's repeat one more time from here. Turn 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's repeat from the very beginning from this part. So 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Turn, step, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Next up for the second half is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. So we're going to separate our legs and we're going to jump 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And with your hands, it's just freestyle. Every member does it differently. So just follow your hands all over your body from your head. Then slide through your body like this. Okay? So all together, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So on 5 and 6, bring your right arm all the way up. Point with your index finger to the top. So first, point to the top, like this. Then to the middle, then down, like this. So it's top, middle, down. Then your hips are going to follow. Up, first, okay, looking to the right, then to the middle, then down. So it's up, middle, down. All together, 5 and 6. Now let's repeat from the beginning of the second half. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then on end, you're going to switch to the left. So switch your hip to the left and put your hand like this on your chin. And then on 7, you're going to raise your leg up and put your hand, okay, your left hand is going to the top like this, gun gesture all the way up, okay? And when you bring it down, so when you bring your gun gesture down, you're going to step with the right leg. So from here, up, down, okay? So from here, it is up, middle, down. Switch, up, down. One more time, up, middle, down. Switch, up, down. Now let's repeat from this part, okay? So you're going to jump, 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 top, middle, down, switch, up, down. Well done. Now let's continue to the next part. So from here, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. So after this, for this part, first we're going to step with the left leg, then with the right. And with your gun gesture, first point to the left and bring it down 2 times like this. And then switch to the front. Okay, so from the left, you go to the front when you step with your right leg. Then you're going to bring it out. So your gun gesture is going all the way out. Stretch your left arm and bring your chest out. All the way out like this. And then bring it back to the center again. So left, front, bring your gun gesture out and to the center one more time. Okay? Then for this part, your hands are into fist and the right arm is stretched out first. So make a circle with the right, then left is going to follow. So right and then left follows. Okay? So from here, front, bring out your gun and to the center and right, left. Now we're almost done. For this part, you're going to point to yourself, okay, with your thumb out at the back, okay, like this. And you're going to step left, right, okay? And your hands at the back there, okay, point to yourself. So this is 5, 6, and on 7, 8, again, money gesture, okay, rub your fingers. You're going to go cross, okay, cross in front of you and out. So 5, 6, cross, 7, 8. Now let's repeat from this part, okay? So to the side, center out, center, right, left, point to yourself, 7, 8. Now that we're done with the dance, let's repeat from the very beginning of the second half. So we're going to jump 1, 2, 3, 4, top, middle, down, switch up, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, point to yourself, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8.